Okay, so this is Shubham, and today we would see the program C++ program to find the sum and average of two variables. After watching the video, if you have any doubts or queries, so do comment in the comment section. So starting with the program. As I said earlier, backslash star is used as a multi-line comments. Yeah, C++ compiler will not execute the comments. It would ignore the comments. And comments are always used to show the description part, just to for the understanding purpose we write the comments. So let's begin. First we have to write the header files. iostream.h, as I told in a basic video, iostream.h is used or written to access the library files, and conio.h, it is for console input output. These header files are important, so we write it at the top, and header files are always written at the top. And execution of the program always start with the main function, which is void main, which is a predefined function, means already defined by the programmer or developer. And then the main function opens, and whatever the execution part it is there, we have to write in the enclosed brackets, curly brackets of the void main. So int a, b, c are the integer type variables declared as int, and integer type variables are always show the integer type values like -3, yeah, +1, whatever. And then float is of floating data type, which is here used to show the decimal values. Then clr scr, uh, yeah, clr scr, it is used to it is used as a clear screen. It would clear the previously used output. So here we compile the program first. Then run. Yeah, got the output. Sum is equal to 15, average is equal to 25.5. What is it? Yes. Okay. So let's start with the detailed explanation. First, the question was to find the sum and average. And in this program we find two things. First, the sum and average, and the second, we this is also a program for typecasting. Typecasting means changing the type, one type to the another type. Like we change the integer type, for example we change integer type to float. Yeah, we would see later on. First, let's see. Okay, this is iostream.h and conio are the header files, as I said, and void main is the main function. Int a comma b, they are the three variables declared as integer type, where int is a data type. Float d is a variable that declared as float, where data float is a data type. clr scr, used to clear the previously executed output. What is the use of clr scr? We would see it at the end of the program. First, going further, a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 31. We passed values for a and b. In short, we can say we assigned the values to the a and b. Okay, and c is equal to then c is equal to a plus b. Yeah, This is used to add the values present in two variables. Okay, the C will add the variables of the A and B. Then D is equal to float. In bracket we wrote C divided by 2. This would calculate average. Yeah, this would calculate the average. And then it is and I wrote typecasting. Okay, as you can see, C is declared as integer type above. Then we have while calculating the average, while calculating the D is equal to C by 2, we wrote float C to display the average in the decimal form. Okay, yeah, so that is the use of the typecasting. Okay, C out sum, C and L, this would print output at new line, and L is used to print output at new line. And the whatever written in the double quotes, like I wrote sum in the double quotes, it would print sum is equal to that as value of the C. Okay, and what is the C out? C out is used to display the output. Okay, and C in is used to give the input. Get ch, it is used to display the output. Then I close the curly brackets, end of the main function. Then I compiled and I got sum is equal to 51, average is equal to 25.5. As I told, we used typecasting, so we got 25.5. If we haven't wrote float bracket C divided by 2, okay, if we just wrote C divided by 2, then we have got the value in the integer type, not in float. Yeah, if we do not write CLR SCR, so we can get the previously used outputs too, like, yeah. So we wrote CLR SCR to get the correct output, and it would clear the previously screen output. Okay, so if you have any doubts or query about the video, you can write in the comment section, and do like the video